Ever had a hammer fail on you in the middle of a job? Maybe the handle snapped, or the head didn't hold up under heavy-duty pounding? When you're working on site, every tool in your belt has to pull its weight, literally and figuratively. But not all hammers are built the same, and using the wrong one can slow you down or even lead to injury. So how do you pick the right hammer? Whether you're framing houses, laying concrete forms, demoing walls, or finishing fine woodwork, the hammer you use can make or break your productivity. In this video, we're diving deep into the best hammers for construction workers, looking at durability, comfort, balance, price, and real-world performance. Stick around, because whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting in the trades, this guide will help you find a hammer that earns its spot in your toolbox. Number 1. Estwing E322S 22-ounce framing hammer. If we had to choose just one hammer to carry to every job site, the Estwing E322S would be it. Why it stands out? Solid steel one-piece construction, you'll never have to worry about the head coming loose or the handle breaking. This thing is virtually indestructible. Shock reduction grip, Estwing's patented grip reduces vibration by up to 70%, which means less fatigue on your wrist and elbow. Perfectly balanced, the 22-ounce weight is just right for framing, demo, and general construction use. Who it's for: framers, general contractors, remodelers, and anyone who needs one hammer that can do it all. What users say, it's the hammer many pros started with and keep coming back to. Tough, comfortable, and reliable. Number 2. Stiletto TI14MC 14-ounce titanium millface framer. If you're framing day in and day out, this titanium beast might just be your best friend. Why it's a game changer? Titanium head, weighs less than steel but delivers the same driving power. This reduces fatigue without sacrificing performance. Milled face, perfect for gripping nail heads and avoiding slips. Replaceable milled face and rubber grip, extends the tool's lifespan, making it a long-term investment. Magnetic nail starter, great for one-handed nailing when you're on a ladder or holding framing together. Downside, it's pricey, often over $100. But many pros say it pays for itself in comfort and reduced fatigue. Who it's for: professional framers, roofers, and builders who swing a hammer for hours on end. Number 3. DeWalt DWHT5106422 ounce demo hammer. Not all hammers are for driving nails, sometimes you need something that can tear down a wall. Why it crushes demo work. Extra wide claw, helps pry apart studs, pull up floorboards, or yank stubborn nails. Large strike face, for accuracy during fast-paced demo. I-beam shaft construction, super strong, won't bend or snap. Handle grip designed for maximum torque. Great for demo crews, remodelers, or anyone tearing things down before building them back up. Pro tip: pair it with a pry bar and you've got a wrecking combo no wall can stand against. Number 4. Wilton BSH 4-pound sledgehammer. Sometimes, you just need to smash stuff. For those moments, a sledgehammer is the only tool that fits the bill. What makes this one different? Unbreakable handle with safety plate, seriously, it's built to take abuse. Non-slip grip and shock-reducing handle. Compact 4 pounds head with enough mass for serious impact. Ideal for breaking concrete, driving stakes, heavy demo work. Construction crew favorite, the B.A.S.H line is legendary on job sites, withstanding thousands of hits. Number 5. Estwing E16S 16-ounce ripclaw smoothface. Not every job calls for a big, aggressive framing hammer. For finish carpentry, you need finesse. Why this hammer excels? 16 ounces smooth face, perfect for driving finish nails without damaging the wood. Smaller profile, allows more control. Steel construction with shock reduction grip. Perfect for trim carpenters, cabinet makers, or punch list pros. Bonus, still tough enough for light framing, so it's a great cross-use tool.